Is there a fee for using Relay Bank? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Relay Bank. I've been using Relay Bank for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it. I've found it to be a great option for people who are looking for a low-cost, high-interest bank account. But before I get into the details of Relay Bank's fees, I want to talk about why it's important to understand the fees associated with your bank account. Fees can add up quickly, so it's important to know what you're getting into before you open an account. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What are the different types of fees that banks charge? What are Relay Bank's fees? How can you avoid Relay Bank's fees? Is Relay Bank right for you? What are the different types of fees that banks charge? There are a number of different types of fees that banks charge. Some of the most common fees include overdraft fees. These fees are charged when you withdraw more money from your account than you have available. Monthly service fees. These fees are charged for simply having an account with the bank. ATM fees. These fees are charged when you use an ATM that is not owned by your bank. Foreign transaction fees. These fees are charged when you make a transaction in a foreign currency. What are Relay Bank's fees? Relay Bank has a very simple fee structure. There are no monthly service fees, no overdraft fees, and no ATM fees. The only fee that Relay Bank charges is a foreign transaction fee of 3%. How can you avoid Relay Bank's fees? There are a few things you can do to avoid Relay Bank's fees. Use your Relay Bank debit card at ATMs that are owned by Relay Bank or its partners. Avoid making transactions in foreign currencies. If you need to make a foreign transaction, consider using a currency exchange service that charges a lower fee than Relay Bank. Is Relay Bank right for you? Relay Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a low-cost, high-interest bank account. If you're willing to give up some of the convenience of having a traditional bank account, Relay Bank can be a great choice. In conclusion, Relay Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a low-cost, high-interest bank account. However, it's important to be aware of the fees associated with Relay Bank before you open an account. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.